Welcome to Revelana. So I'm on the phone with my exotic guru. This is Manav, and we're going to show you how to make a call through Revelana from your desktop or laptop. So all you do is go up to this little icon in the top right corner, and you click on the telephone. You dial your number just with your mouse. Let's see here. And then once you get this dialed, it's going to ask you for permission. So I'm going to hit the green call button, and then you'll get an alert over here. You want to allow this to use my microphone. So this will be interesting because I'm also on Zoom to see if it's even going to allow that. So now it's calling my cell, and let's see. I'm going to go ahead and pick it up. Oh, and it's working. Look at that. So that's how you make a call. All right. Have a great day. Bye-bye.